when you finish clearing up these clippings, you could just trim along my fence for me?
Do you know what? It's an amazing coincidence you've asked me that today. I just so happen to have my brand new Kombi system with me, and I've got the strimmer head in the van. I'll whip round in a minute.
How terribly handy.
No worries.
Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Fully Charged Gardener. Thank you very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. So I hope you enjoyed that footage with this brand new STIHL KMA 135R doing its thing. Now, full disclosure before we go any further in today's video, this is a demo unit that has been lent to me by the lovely team at STIHL GB, so thank you very much for that, guys. So this is just a first look video at this new KMA 135R. I'll do a more detailed review later on once I've had a chance to try the machine for a few more weeks with a few more attachments. So I just want to give you a quick look at the unit. As you can see, we've got some very cool new styling going on. At the bottom here, we have a mesh air filter. In the top here, game changer battery slot. I'll come back to that in a minute. This little panel here is removable, so you can install the new STIHL smart connector in there. We have a very nice rubberized grip. The safety switch is nice and comfortable for both left and right-handed users. And then on here we have our LED lights which tell us which power setting we are in. We have this clip here, so if you want to attach a harness. Nice rubberized grip on the loop handle as well. We have the little safety kickback if you do use an attachment with a metal blade on it, and then we have the slot for the Kombi attachments. So as you can see, very cool unit. Now the unit itself, without the battery, weighs 3.4 kgs, so it is extremely light, and obviously the ultimate weight of the unit depends on which battery you use and which attachment you're going to be using. So let's get on and talk about why I think this is a game changer, and it starts here with this slot. Okay, it's okay, calm down, sit down, stop shouting at your screens. I know what you're going to be saying. Andy, what are you talking about calling this a game changer? Other manufacturers have had Kombi units that can accept the battery directly into the power head for quite some time. I know, but I'm standing by my game changer statement, and that's because of this on the end of here, the Kombi attachment. If you've already invested in this STIHL Kombi system, and you've got a range of attachments in your shed or van, this is a fantastic way for you to get into the battery technology. Now, this is the bit I find difficult because quite passionate about the battery stuff, don't get me wrong, I still absolutely love my 500i chainsaw. But honestly, the benefits of battery machines are amazing. Now, I hear it all the time. It doesn't have the runtime, it doesn't have the power, it's not well built enough. Honestly, you compare this to the petrol unit that you've got on your existing Kombi system, you've got the same build quality. In terms of power, this unit, this 135, has a brushless motor that's electronically controlled. So when the unit's running, it's always monitoring the load on the machine, and it will adjust the power of the motor accordingly. So depending on what attachment you've got on, it's constantly monitoring and adjusting. And what that does is give you the power when you need it, but it's also looking after battery life. The battery life on these things is amazing. You'll be so surprised at how long the batteries last. Honestly, it's amazing. You've really got to try it to believe it. Then there's the other benefits. I mean, these things are so quiet, and it's not just about the operator when it comes to noise, it's about the people around you, and it makes such a difference. And indeed a lot of councils and things and schools are requesting battery technology. So if you've got a Kombi unit that you can use alongside your petrol if you're still nervous, I guarantee your petrol unit will be staying in the van or the shed a lot more than you expect. It really is a game changer. And then from the operator's point of view, you feel so much better at the end of the day, so much less fatigue. It's amazing, honestly. But this really is a fantastic piece of kit. I know I'm rambling on about the battery stuff, but in terms of noise, so I'll put it on the full power setting and hold it right up to the microphone. Unbelievable how quiet that is. Amazing. And then maintenance, there's a whole lot less maintenance because basically there's just a motor inside and a shaft. So, you know, not having to service parts, spark plugs, filters and all that sort of stuff. Although this unit does have an air filter on the bottom. So there we go. Anyway, I've been rambling on enough. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it, honestly, guys. It'd be fantastic if you like this video to give a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe to the channel to see more about this tool and others like it. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Absolute game changer. Little beauty.